Jag tänker på att jag inte är sån här. Jag har aldrig tänkt på att fan borde man ju. Sen är det ju svårt. Men jag menar. Okay, Peter, congratulations to another win in Scania.
Thanks a lot.
It was your third in a row with this team, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
How about the tournament? Did you win all games?
No, actually we lost to Purinto by 8 points in the group. So, but we didn't play well in the group games, but we stepped up in the semi-final and here in the final.
You have been in more finals than 3 here in Scania, haven't you?
No, actually the 2 first years we got bronze, and then we've been playing the final for 3 years in a row.
Yeah. And you coached the team all year?
Yeah, I've been coaching the team for 5 years now, yeah.
Okay. And finally about that hand of God.
Yeah, the hand of God.
Tell me the story.
Well, I'm a big fan of Argentina and Maradona.
Yeah.
And it just came when this team, they won their first gold medal. I can't remember where it was. I had this jersey on, and the girls liked it, and we just kept going from there.
And you always keep the jersey on in the final game?
Or always.
Throughout the tournament?
Yeah.
In every game?
I've had this jersey on for no, only in the semi-final and final this year, but every time we play a final I have this jersey on.
Okay, so please turn around, let's see it.